sky hangs heavy, a dark and forbidding gray. Raindrops whisper secrets of a long and lonely day. Each tiny droplet, a tear the heavens weep, reflecting back the shadows where my weary thoughts do sleep. The pavement glistens as the rain continues to drop, and we wonder, when will it ever stop? Oh, the rain can wash the color from the world I used to see, leaving only shades of gray, a somber cast on me. A weight upon my shoulders, a sigh caught in my chest, lost in the rhythm of the drops, longing for a rest. The clouds rolled in like a shadowed sigh, dark and hanging low. A gloomy sky, the hours drift like fallen leaves in puddles dark and deep, and memories like shadows stir from slumbering sleep. A fragile hope begins to fade like ink upon the page, as the rain continues its soft, relentless siege. Oh, the rain can wash the color from the world I used to see, leaving only shades of gray, a somber cast on me. A weight upon my shoulders, a sigh caught in my chest, lost in the rhythm of the drops, longing for rest. A single ray, a hesitant touch upon my window pane, a whisper of a different song, better times again. The puddles shimmer, catching light like diamonds scattered wide, and colors bloom on every leaf where shadows used to hide. The birds begin to sing again, a joyful, vibrant sound, as life burst forth with renewed strength on freshly watered ground. Oh, the sun can paint the color back where gray had held its sway, chasing shadows from my heart and brightening the day. A likeness fills my spirit now, a breath I can release, found in the warmth upon my skin. A sudden sense of peace, from gloom to glory in a blink. The world transforms its face, and in the sunshine's gentle hold I find my happy place. The rain may fall and shadows loom, but here comes the sun, and life, with all its vibrant hues, will return.